Just like kimchi. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Another episode of Drumsticks and Greens. Let's get into it. Episode 5. Let's go. We're gonna do kimchi fried rice. My favorite fried rice. I've been eating fried rice from a Chinese store in Philly for so long. Kimchi, which is a strong fermented, and we're gonna do a miso rosemary steak. That's just gonna go well with this dish. About to make this drink though. Real quick. The drink is called the Inglewood because Steven's here. So, shot of vodka, lemon juice, blackberries. This is peach nectarine Red Bull. Bomb. Fire. Bomb. Ice. And boom. A little bit of honey. Come on, nigga. Asian Pacific Healthcare. I'll be there tomorrow. What do you guys want? Hello?
Hi, this is Madison. I'm calling from Asian Pacific. Is this...
Hey. Yes, it is. How you doing? What's up?
Hi, good. Thank you. Want to make sure you still have no cough, fever.
Nah, I'm good, mama.
Perfect. Great. Good to hear. See you tomorrow then.
All right, see you later.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Jeez. Leave me alone. Wow. Taste it a little bit. This is bomb. All right. That's how we're gonna season this steak. First, always salt, pepper, pat, flip, other side, salt, pepper. Steak is seasoned off to the side. Let's do this marinade real quick. Miso marinade, sweet yet also salty, flavorful. Thyme. Rice, cooking wine, sugar. Mix well together. Mix in. Oh, it's gonna be so dank. Mix it down really good, okay? Rub our marinade all over. That steak. Other side. Bomb. All right, then we're gonna let that sit. You know it's about to be good. She's moist right now. She's right, Steve. Is she not moist? She's moist all over the place, and that's just how I like it. Let this sit on the side for a little bit. Let the flavors permeate the meat, and we're gonna work on our rice. So we're gonna do our glazing sauce. Same thing we did before. 1 scoop miso, part of this cooking wine, first time. A little salt, pepper, okay, sugar, and it's mine, so I can do that. Put it on stove. We're gonna cook this olive oil and bring it up to a boil. I'm making miso steak with rosemary and all of these herbs.
You want to sit up? Because I feel like it's just like your crotch.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I hate when jeans give you a you know what I'm saying? Yo, that ain't even mine, my nigga. As soon as you sit down, just we get that miso cooked down, great consistency. So now we got the steak over there marinating. Start on our kimchi fried rice. First, garlic. We're gonna chop some onion and garlic. Cook that first. Don't use fresh rice. Use rice that's already been cooked. Preferably rice that's been cooked the day before. You don't want to use fresh rice because it's too soft. It's too... Just don't use it. Pan on. This is our spicy outfit. Let's go with this. Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh, this is gonna be good. And one thing about onions, you can't rush it. You can't turn it up and it cooks softer. You really have to cook the onions on a medium low heat because you don't want it to burn, but you want them to naturally soften, caramelize. You know what I'm saying? Now, green onion. Fresh ginger. You peel a ginger with a spoon. A spoon is better. It's even better than a peeler, so just use a spoon. We're gonna take our grater, small small grades. You don't want clunky. Nah. I like half tablespoon ginger in. As this mixture is cooking, let's crack an egg in the middle of this, okay? Yeah, cook, yeah, trick, yeah. Season as we go. Salt, pepper. Woo! Yes, that pepper is so fresh. I just bought it. You should see the footage. Now, kimchi. This is what's going to make the rice. The rice. This is the main thing. This is the kimchi. It's fermented. It's fermented for 40 fermented fours. Continuous fermenting. See? It says it on there. I like kimchi fried rice. It's so good because of its potent flavor. Kimchi has a lot of spices in it, and they ferment like radishes and cucumbers and cabbage and all of this stuff. Kimchi is bomb, okay? It stinks, but it's bomb. Kimchi cut, leave for a minute. Rice. Just everything we got in there. The rice is now being infused with those flavors. It's fried rice, you know what I'm saying? Like you hear it frying, I added some olive oil in it. It's frying, it's doing its thing. Soy sauce, rice cooking wine, sesame oil. You can do a chili paste, a chili whatever hot. I'm gonna do harissa because that's what I have right now. Fish sauce. You get fish sauce from anywhere sometimes. Still frying. It smells great. Peas and carrots. Okay. We're going Forrest Gump here.
We like peas and carrots, Jenny and I.
It just goes good with fried rice. I don't know. Like I feel like when I have fried rice, it has peas and carrots in it. Like bomb. I'm dropping so much today. Last but not least, kimchi. Woo! That smells amazing. Taste test. Let's see where we at flavor wise. That sent me to glory and back. Nothing. Don't need not a thing, bro. We're gonna cut this down. Now we wanna add our seaweed. Fold it up like that. Fold it up. Fold it up. Now just turn and crunch. I cannot wait to eat this. This is about to be so dank. Noah, is seaweed vegan?
Oh, yeah.
It is?
Yeah, love seaweed.
Really?
Yeah.
So
It's a
okay,
plant.
right, but it comes from the ocean.
And
The ocean has fish in it.
And
so because it's fishing,
spinach comes from the earth, and the earth has cows on it.
that's true. Okay, so it is vegan.
Yeah.
Tight. The earth does have cows on it. What if, though, the same farm had cows and spinach? Does that make the spinach not vegan?
No.
What if it was? What if it was like cow fertilizer?
That's when you start to blur the lines.
Yes. Kimchi fried rice is done, baby. Let's get on this steak. Preheat oven, 350 degrees. You guys be on like social media? You can follow Drumsticks and Greens on Instagram. I don't have a Twitter. I don't have a MySpace. I do have a Black Planet though. You remember Black Planet?
Signing up for Black Planet Next is easy. With a single click,
Black Planet was dope. I used to get a whole bunch of like MILFs when I was like 13. That's weird too. Right? 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 Everything's gonna be alright. I had a crazy night last night. Like I went through like almost a breakup last night. Ain't that crazy? But I feel good. That's how you know. Like when you go through a breakup And you don't even have a bad day? So, let's set this butter to the side. Moving on to our steak right now. Steak, okay? Garlic. We're just gonna peel the garlic. Leave them whole. You don't gotta cut them up. Just leave them whole. Chill. Turn our heat on. Boom. We're gonna get this really hot because when that steak hits this cast iron, it's gonna sizzle to glory. It's just gonna sizzle to glory. So hot right now. You remember this beautiful steak that's just wet in all of her glory? Okay? That's going in there now. Boom. Let's lay her in. That's how she looks. Bomb, bomb. And let's do kind of like 3 minutes on each side, 3 to 4, depending on how you like the steak. But what I'm doing is I'm going for a medium steak. And that's not burnt. That's coming from the miso. Look at her in all of her glory. It's not burnt, okay? It's flavor. Garlic, thyme, butter. Now we about to baste our steak before we put it in the oven. Let it finish cooking. I don't like mine crazy, like dry. We're gonna have it moist. It's gonna sit in the oven for about 3-4 minutes. My homie Jerome Flood makes these crazy voiceovers so funny. Shut up. Yeah. Pete. KK, steak's done. Oh, Lord, Lord, you are good, and your mercy is forever. Nigga. Think it in. Take the steak out. Let it rest. I'm gonna put it on this because the bottom, you can get air in the bottom too, so it can cool on both sides, okay? And look at that steak. Oh. Ah! Our steak has been sitting for about 4 minutes, something like that. We're gonna take it off. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Are you serious, Cletus? Are you serious, Cletus?
Come on, Cletus. Come on.
I'm tight. This is Jennifer Parker from Back to the Future. Her name's Claudia Wells. She's amazing. Claudia!
Yes, Manny, how are you?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm wonderful.
Hey, Claudia, say hi because I'm actually filming a cooking episode.
Hello, everybody. Claudia Wells.
We could do like some dope dish and we can cook together. Yeah?
Let's do it. I dated a guy, he was a Rastafarian guy, gosh, decades ago, and he used to say, you cook like a black woman. No, he said you spice like a black woman.
Hey, that's it.
It's a big old compliment.
Oh, I know. It is a big compliment. That's why I need you in my kitchen.
I'd love to do that.
All right, Claudia, dope. I'll see you Sunday, mama.
Okay, baby.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Wonderful. Kimchi rice. Episode 5. Number 5.
You can taste it.
Huh?
Taste it.
I gotta taste it. Jeez. I always gotta taste it. Steak. The miso and thyme and rosemary. You don't get no better than that. Okay? This is a bomb. Like, the world should end, and this should be the last meal I ate. I'm done. So good. Bye.